Welcome back everyone to JoRaSe Dev for the second video of January for this channel. Working out the player movement is going to be the goal. In order to do this and make for much less work, we're going to be reusing the code from the previous project, and I know we brought some of that in before, but it'll be in the best interest to remove entirely what we have now and bring in the other code. So that being said, let's go to a black screen while I load up the file. And here we are. So what we want to get rid of are the camera and the camera movement. We can replace camera with player block because that's what it's going to be. And here we go. Function player camera entity int while one vec set camera dot x vector and this is where it's important to have kind of reset things by deleting the previous. The vector can change and be in different spots, so it's a good idea to make sure you're using the right one. I don't want to have the positioning wrong. So starting things out again means I have to go through and adjust, which is the best way to do it, not just assume everything's going to be okay. Now a vec add camera.x int.x now another vec set camera pan vector int pan minus 90 0 0. Now another vec set this time for camera dot tilt and a vector and a wait1 instruction. And now for the action that is going to be assigned to the character model. Player car char, and now start off with a player camera. Player underscore camera me that sets the assigned model that's assigned the player character action to actually control the camera as well. With that, we now have a while1 and here we go. Quite a few if statements. First one, if key CUL be the left key. We'll go ahead and add a comment here. Turn to the left. This is going to be moving it along on the pan rotational axis. So we're going to give it minus equals, plus three times time step and let's just copy that if statement and we can reuse it. Well, get things in line here. This time it's going to be turned to the right. And if plus is to the left, then minus will be to the right. And this needs to be CUR for right. Easy enough so far. Now for a bit of depth. We have a while loop for the next key input. This is the up key. And we're going to bring in cmove. And the entity is the me entity. Then we have a vector. Going to be that 0.000. Then the instruction -3 times time. Step. And then another 0.000. Null vector, this is going to be for the absolute distance vector. We don't need one, so that gets the null vector. And for collision, we want it to use polygon. There and there. Next line, int animate. And this is going to be the my entity again, followed by the scene name. That's going to be walk. Then the variable percentage, which we're going to assign to walk perk. And we want it to cycle through, so ANM underscore cycle. And we need to walk perk minus equals 3 times time step and a wait 1. I should probably do something similar here. I think I will make it a bit easier. Always look for ways that code can be recycled. And so there's the forward motion. Should be able to copy it for the backwards motion. So now we just copy the action, bring that down all the way to the build map function. Find our player character, replace null with the action, and take the camera movement wooden barrel out of existence. Let's see how this works. An error. So, what did I miss? I'm going to have to check this in the other code momentarily. Let me see what I am missing. Well, that was more obvious than I thought. Entity needs to be capitalized, and it doesn't need to be whatever I spelled there. Alright, now it's showing in blue. That means everything's going to work. Brilliant. I left out the necessary comma. Of course. Let's try doing it this way. Shouldn't need this now either. There we go. So far. Well, not responding isn't good. Alright, let me fire it back up and hopefully we can get something working here. Yeah, it's still not working. Not responding. I will figure this out, but I don't want to drag this video on any longer than it should be, so I will report back next month with success, hopefully. Until then, everyone. Hey there, everyone. Just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, and want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you did enjoy the video, how about giving it a thumbs up? Alright, I will see you all next time.